Meeting daily protein needs is especially important for women over 50 because protein supports muscle maintenance, bone health, and overall wellness as the body ages. Here's how to achieve this. Protein needs vary based on weight, activity level, and overall health. A general guideline is to aim for 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. For example, a woman weighing 68 kilograms, or 150 pounds, would need about 68 to 82 grams of protein daily. Active individuals, or those recovering from illness, may require up to 1.5 grams per kilogram. Distribute protein evenly across meals and snacks to enhance absorption and muscle synthesis. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Here are some examples of high-protein foods and their approximate protein content. Animal-based proteins. Eggs, about 6 grams per egg. Chicken breast, around 31 grams per 3.5 ounces. Fish like salmon or tuna, roughly 22 to 25 grams per 3.5 ounces. Greek yogurt, non-fat, approximately 10 grams per 100 grams. Cheese, such as cottage cheese, about 14 grams per half cup. Plant-based proteins, lentils, around 18 grams per cup cooked. Chickpeas, about 15 grams per cup cooked. Tofu, roughly 10 grams per half cup firm. Quinoa, around 8 grams per cup cooked. Nuts and seeds like almonds or chia seeds, 5 to 7 grams per ounce. Protein supplements if needed. Consider a protein powder, be it whey, pea, or collagen, to meet gaps in intake. You can add these to smoothies, oatmeal, or shakes. Here's an example of a daily meal plan for about 75 grams of protein. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach, 2 eggs equaling 12 grams, plus Greek yogurt, 100 grams equaling 10 grams, and chia seeds, 1 tablespoon equaling 2 grams. Lunch: grilled chicken salad, 3 ounces of chicken equaling 25 grams, mixed greens and quinoa, half a cup equaling 4 grams. Snack: hummus, 2 tablespoons equaling 2 grams with carrot sticks and a handful of almonds, 1 ounce equaling 6 grams. Dinner: baked salmon, 3 ounces equaling 22 grams, with roasted broccoli and sweet potato. For weight loss or muscle gain, prioritize lean proteins and reduce calorie-dense extras. For reduced appetite, use smaller meals and high-protein snacks throughout the day. Protein metabolism produces nitrogen waste, so drinking water is crucial, especially if increasing protein intake.